Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Fundamental Finances, and we break down personal finance, investing, and crypto in simple, no BS terms. Today, we're diving into something a lot of people are curious about: how to start investing in Bitcoin with just $100. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be smart with your money, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get started, step by step. Why? First things first, why even invest in Bitcoin? Bitcoin is often called digital gold. It's decentralized, limited in supply, and immune to government manipulation. Since its launch in 2009, Bitcoin has outperformed almost every other asset class, but it's also volatile. So you're not just buying a coin, you're investing in a new financial system. But remember, investing in crypto is risky, so only invest what you can afford to lose. All right, now let's get to the practical stuff. How to start with $100. Let's break it down. You've got $100. Here's how to get started in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange. Go with a beginner-friendly exchange like Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, or Cash App if you want something ultra simple. Sign up, verify your identity, this is called KYC, Know Your Customer, and link your bank account. Step 2. Fund your account. Transfer your $100. Most platforms have a $1.10 minimum, so $100 is more than enough. Be aware of transaction fees. They can eat into your investment if you're not careful. Step 3. Buy Bitcoin. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy fractions. So with hundreds, you're buying around 0.001 BTC, depending on market prices and fees. Use a market order if you want to buy instantly, or a limit order if you want to set a price and wait. Step 4. Store your Bitcoin safely. Option: leave it on the exchange, easiest but less secure. Use a hot wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Or a hardware wallet like Ledger for better security, optional at this stage. Beginner tips. All right, you've bought your first Bitcoin. Now what? Here are some smart tips for beginners. Dollar cost average day. Instead of dumping all your cash at once, invest a little bit regularly, like $10 a week. This helps you avoid buying at the peak. 2. Don't chase the hype. Bitcoin will go up and down like a roller coaster. Don't panic sell. Don't buy just because Twitter is going crazy. Tip 3. Educate yourself. Follow trusted sources like published books and credited websites. And don't get advice from random people in comment sections. Tip 4. Use strong passwords and 2FA. Security is a big deal. Turn on 2-factor authentication and never share your private keys. Taxes matter. Yep, Uncle Sam wants a piece. Bitcoin is taxed like property in the US. Keep track of your trades using apps like CoinTracker or Coinly. Final thoughts. To wrap it up, starting with $100 won't make you rich overnight, but it's a smart way to dip your toes into the crypto world. Bitcoin isn't just about making money, it's about learning how money works, how systems are built, and how to take control of your financial future. So, are you thinking about buying your first Bitcoin? Drop a comment below and let me know your biggest question or fear about crypto. I read every one. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't just work for money, make your money work for you. See you next time.